Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of organization with some practical tips to help you organize your closet. Get ready to transform your space into a clutter-free sanctuary where you can easily find everything you need. All right, let's talk about closet organization. Keeping your closet tidy and organized can not only save you time and stress, but also bring a sense of calm and clarity to your daily routine. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you some of my favorite tips and tricks for achieving a functional and stylish closet that sparks joy every time you open its doors. Before we get started, let me share a little bit about my own journey with closet organization. Like many of you, I used to struggle with a cluttered and chaotic closet that made getting dressed in the morning feel like a daunting task. But through trial and error, I've discovered some amazing strategies that have completely transformed my space and made me fall in love with my wardrobe all over again. Closet organization isn't just about having a tidy space, it's about creating an environment that supports your well-being and reflects your personal style. A well-organized closet can streamline your morning routine, boost your confidence, and even inspire creativity in your outfit choices. Practical tips for tidying up. Now, let's get into the practical tips for tidying up your closet. From decluttering and categorizing to maximizing space and investing in storage solutions, I'll walk you through each step of the process and show you how to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing closet that works for you. Tip number 1: decluttering. The first step to organizing your closet is decluttering. Take some time to go through your clothes and accessories, keeping only the items that you truly love and wear regularly. Donate or sell anything that no longer serves you, and be mindful of your storage space as you make decisions. Tips number 2: categorizing. Once you've decluttered, it's time to categorize your remaining items. Consider organizing your clothes by type, color, or season to make them easier to find and access. Invest in quality hangers, bins, and dividers to keep everything neat and orderly. Tips number 3: maximizing space. Make the most of your closet space by utilizing vertical storage options like shelves and hooks. Store out-of-season items in labeled bins or vacuum-sealed bags to free up space for your current wardrobe. And don't forget to utilize the back of the door for additional storage opportunities. Tips number 4: investing in storage solutions. Invest in storage solutions that work for your specific needs, whether it's shoe racks, jewelry organizers, or garment bags. These tools can help you maximize space and keep your closet clutter-free in the long run. Tips number 5: encouragement and empowerment. Remember, closet organization is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself as you work through the process, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. By taking small steps each day, you'll gradually create a closet that brings you joy and reflects your unique style. Well, that concludes our guide to organizing your closet with practical and functional tips for tidying up. I hope you found these strategies helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could use some closet organization motivation. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content like this.